Purezidenti Museveni yagambye ebyo by'abanahinguza abasirikale abarokora omu bihome bya Uganda 2034 aha mukoro gw'abakora Independence Grounds. Ofisa abatongozi bw'eriizooba barumba Cadet Assistant Superintendents of Prisons 200, Cadet Principal Officers 318 na Recruit Warders and Wardresses 116. General Museveni yayoreka ngo kuhendebera jiro nikiza kuchendera okurabira mu nkora ya digital number plates obwagumize ngu ekiroho hati abantu nibahendebera jiro bito kubakuratiza kurema.
Now I am insisting on the issue of the electronic number plates. That will be a very big blow to crime, because most of the people move to and from the scene of crime by either vehicle or a border. If we close that gap, it will be very difficult for the criminals to do what they are doing, because walking to and from is not so easy, especially if you want to escape. And you are also seen by the cameras. Cameras will see you.
Yahamya ngu kamera za CCTV na nokuchondoza habinkumu yabina z'abarukwejonisa embundu enkora hati ebyo bukwerinda barukwejonisa nayo ninungi nukwe kuragira ngu embundu z'abasirikale zona bakama bazo bihohwe binkumu nkoko ebitongole byo kwerinda ibindi biri kutwaza.
The fingerprinting of the guns of the security forces are also helping. But I hear somehow they did not include the army. But why not the army? I have directed that all the army guns must be fingerprinted like all the others were fingerprinted. They can be kept separately, maybe under military police, but they should be fingerprinted. Every gun should be fingerprinted.
Ahandi President Museveni yakurisiye abaofisa abatongozi bw'eriizooba kandi yabebaza ahabwo kugumisiriza bakaraba mu kushongorwa kubire kutorobi.
3 words: afia, health. You need to be healthy, and you need to avoid all elements that destroy health. Number 2, knowledge. The knowledge you have got here, and the knowledge you will get in more training, and the knowledge you will get through reading. And then finally, patriotism, uzalendo. With those 3, you will go far.
Oguhona yasima Dr. Johnson byabashija na nabarukwebembere bihome bona abo kutungura obuhereza nuko kubaraganisa okwija kubahereza bikoresa n'obundi buhwezi barayetenge.
So I congratulate you, and I'm very happy with the good work you are doing. I don't hear many scandals in the prisons.
President Museveni hona yashaba ofisa abatongozibwa okwehara obushomankuzi kandi n'okurinda ekitinisa kyabo. Minister wa Internal Affairs Major General Kahindo Tafire yakurisiye abaofisa abahereza okushongorwa kandi yabehanangiriza okukunda ihanga lyabo.
Patriotism is essentially putting the country above self. 200 cadet assistant superintendents, 318 cadet principal officers, and 1,716 recruits. This now gives us a total staff strength
of 14,248 staff.
Gasha kwa Tadeo Damp.